In a world where sound defines experience, your speakers are more than just hardware. They're the soul of your setup. Whether you're producing music, spinning vinyl, or just kicking back with your favorite playlist, the right bookshelf speakers can transform your space into an audiophile sanctuary. In today's video, I've analyzed 8 standout bookshelf speakers that offer studio-grade precision, wireless versatility, and pure sonic immersion, all without blowing your budget. From critically acclaimed studio monitors to powerful plug-and-play systems, each speaker in this list brings something unique to the table. So, if you're serious about sound, whether you're a casual listener or a full-blown audiophile, stick around, because this list just might change the way you hear everything. Let's dive in. Number 1 is PreSonus Eris 3.5 BT. If you're serious about precision audio in a tight workspace or need crystal clear near-field monitoring, the PreSonus Eris 3.5 BT is an absolute gem. These speakers deliver studio-grade sound, making them perfect not only for music production but also for refined hi-fi listening. The 3.5-inch woven composite woofers bring out a tight, responsive bass, while the silk dome tweeters provide airy highs and remarkable stereo imaging, even off-axis. The addition of Bluetooth 5.0 means you can stream wirelessly with zero compromise on fidelity. And thanks to the dual Class A/B amplifiers pumping 50 watts of power, these small speakers pack surprising punch. Plus, with room-tuning EQ controls, they're flexible for any setup, whether on a desk or bookshelf. Number 2 is Rockville RockShelf. For those craving a bigger, richer low end, the Rockville RockShelf 64B offers a 6.5-inch Kevlar woofer and silk dome tweeter combo that delivers deep, smooth bass with shimmering highs. These passive speakers are rated at 100 watt RMS per pair, making them beasts for a powerful home audio or home theater setup. Audiophiles will appreciate the gold-plated 5-way binding posts, detachable grills, and premium MDF cabinets with a sleek wood grain finish. They not only sound great, but also look like high-end studio monitors. Number 3 is HiVi-Swans D100. The Swans D100 bring a touch of boutique luxury to the bookshelf speaker game. The ISO dynamic ribbon tweeter is a rare feature at this price point and provides astonishing clarity and air, especially in the upper register. The custom 4-inch woofer handles mid and low frequencies with grace, resulting in a balanced, elegant tone. Bluetooth functionality, a 62-watt RMS output, optical and coaxial inputs, and dedicated tuning knobs make this the perfect desktop or small-room hi-fi system. The premium remote and understated aesthetics round out a package that's made for both audiophiles and design lovers. Number 4 is Edifier P12. Don't let their size fool you. The Edifier P12 speakers are small but mighty. Their silk dome tweeter and 4-inch bass driver with a reflex port combine to produce an immersive, natural sound that's incredibly pleasing for casual and serious listening alike. With a 6-ohm impedance, they're flexible with most amplifiers and receivers. Plus, they come with built-in wall mount brackets, making them ideal for surround sound setups in a compact home theater. At this price, they outperform many speakers twice their cost. Number 5 is Audioengine A5+. The Audioengine A5+ is a cult favorite for a reason. This set boasts a powerful 150-watt output that fills the room with dynamic, high-fidelity sound, delivering both power and finesse. The Bluetooth aptX HD connectivity ensures low latency, lossless streaming, while traditional RCA and AUX options offer wired versatility. Custom-tuned by musicians, the A5 Plus produces a rich, full-bodied soundstage with deep lows thanks to the 5-inch woofers, and smooth highs via its 0.7 5-inch silk dome tweeters. Number 6 is ELAC Debut 3.0 dB63BK. From legendary designer Andrew Jones, the ELAC Debut 3.0 is a masterpiece in the affordable audiophile space. The aluminum dome tweeter and new waveguide offer crisp, clean highs with exceptional dispersion, ensuring the sound stays consistent across your room. Its 6.5-inch aramid fiber woofer is impressively rigid yet lightweight, giving you tight, punchy bass and controlled mids. The internal cabinet bracing helps eliminate distortion by reducing resonance, something typically seen only in much more expensive models. Number 7 is Fluance Ai41. This speaker offers serious value and solid sonic performance. With a 90-watt built-in amplifier, 5-inch woven glass fiber drivers, and neodymium tweeters, they deliver an expansive stereo image with crisp highs and warm mids. The cabinets are finely tuned MDF enclosures, internally braced and rear-ported for a smooth, full low end. You get Bluetooth 5.0, RCA, optical, and even a sub-out, making these an ideal plug-and-play option for modern music lovers. Number 8 is Orroplus bookshelf speakers. Don't sleep on these. The Orroplus bookshelf speakers may be under the radar, but their carbon fiber driver with multi-layer voice coil tech punches far above its class. The 70-watt built-in power ensures tight dynamics and low distortion, while the 1-inch silk dome tweeter adds a delicate sparkle to your highs. With Bluetooth 5.4, ARC, optical, RCA, and AUX inputs, they support nearly every modern audio source, and even let you connect 2 devices simultaneously. Side panel knobs plus a remote allow for precise EQ tuning, and their vintage wood finish adds a dash of classic charm. This lineup spans everything from studio monitors to high-powered lifestyle systems. Whether you're a critical listener, vinyl enthusiast, or just looking for the best plug-and-play speaker setup, this guide delivers a standout pick for every user and budget.